Hey there, in this video, we'll walk through and do a quick demonstration of an add-on called Member Collapse Other Sections. And so it's not a super sexy name, but I want to show you what it does and what you might use it for. If you've got a rather large navigation area inside of your members area. So we've got just a basic members area page here, and we've got 4 sections here, and we can see that we've got a lot here going on. So we've got a bunch of lessons. They're all obviously duplicates of the same thing, but we can expand this out quite a bit. So if we're bouncing between lessons, and we'll notice that when we bounce between lessons, these all stay expanded. So if somebody clicks through and expands these out, it can get rather tedious and long, and we don't necessarily want that. And so what we can do is we can enable the Member Collapse Other Sections add-on. It will actually always collapse to only the section that's active. So I'm going to go ahead and enable this add-on. So I've got a version of this installed on this page, and I'm going to enable it now. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And now if I refresh this and go in here, and now if I go in and I click one of my other lessons and one of my other sections, we can see that it always collapses the others, and it'll always stay active to just that lesson section that they're in. So it just helps to kind of keep the clutter down and keep them just focused on the current lesson section, and that's what this add-on does. That's what it is good for, is to kind of keep that focus on the current topic. So hopefully you like it, hopefully you put it to good use, and I'll see you in the next one.